how to find the devices settings on Shopify easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find devices settings on Shopify easy and quick. First open your browser and now go to Shopify, and once you're here click on your profile in top corner and then click manage account, and that's it. Now scroll down until you find first go to security and then scroll down until you find devices, and that's it. Here we'll find devices settings. Here's it. Look it in devices. Here we'll find it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.